All right, there are 4 sounds. All right, first one.
Can of Coke.
Soda can opening. Yeah, it is.
He can do the fucking impression.
Okay. Next one. Hesitation.
Tree falling down.
Yeah. It is a tree falling
Yeah.
down.
Wait.
I was like.
I would have said firework come out before tree falling down.
Yeah, but he buzzed in.
I mean, like, the answer come out of their team.
He said hesitate. He buzzed.
Yeah, he hesitated. He was out.
Buzzed in after I said.
Oh, does it not switch the other team after they get it wrong?
None of you pressed the buzzer, so.
No, but I mean, like, if the that's not happening previous round.
I'm just saying.
New round, don't it?
Back.
Next one. You need both of these.
Yeah, fuck. Windy day.
Tumbleweed.